Hello and welcome everyone. As the Bitcoin rises, it is interesting to see how it relates to traditional assets like gold. Well, it's a fascinating topic that deserves our attention. Currently, Bitcoin, often lovingly referred to as the digital gold, is trading well above $30,000. A development that has certainly piqued the interest of analysts across the globe. Yet contrary to popular belief, Bitcoin is not entirely indifferent to traditional assets. In fact, there are remarkable parallels between Bitcoin and assets like gold particularly, and how they react to geopolitical shifts and global economic trends. Take for example the recent events since the dawn of October. Bitcoin's value has seen a notable increase of 14%. Meanwhile, gold, the timeless store of value, has also experienced a surge, slightly smaller one of around 7%. Interestingly, gold's rise started a week before Bitcoin's, triggered by the escalating tensions between Israel and Hamas, and speculations about the end into the Federal Reserve's tightening cycle. Over the past 2 years, the Bitcoin to gold ratio has dramatically decreased. This suggests that gold has outperformed Bitcoin. However, the tables may turn soon. Factors like the Federal Reserve's monetary tightening, the anticipation of the upcoming Bitcoin halving, and the potential approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF could tip the scales in Bitcoin's favor. When inflation prompts a rate hike by the Fed, both gold and digital gold Bitcoin tend to outperform traditional investment vehicles. However, the narrowing of the Bitcoin to gold ratio signals that gold has been the preferred safe haven asset. Yet the winds of change are blowing. The potential approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF could become a catalyst for Bitcoin. A glimpse of this was seen with recent false ETF approval reports that quickly pushed Bitcoin up by 10%. Here's a fun fact for you. Before the first gold ETF was launched, investors had limited options. They could invest in closed-end and funds gold companies, or actually lug around the shiny metal. However, with the advent of the ETF, investor demand for gold skyrocketed. A Bitcoin spot ETF could potentially have a similar effect. So with these positive signs, holding Bitcoin could be seen as holding valuable assets. As the world continues to evolve, so too does the landscape of investments and assets. Bitcoin and gold, two seemingly disparate assets, have more in common than meets the eye. If you appreciate this kind of information, subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon would be a fantastic way to stay updated. Until next time, keep watching, keep learning.